Yo, what's up everyone? So in this video, I'm going to build out an AI receptionist from scratch under 10 minutes using Retell and n8n, like Retell for the voice agent and n8n for the backend to actually book the appointments and check availability here. So I've actually built out this for myself. So just going to show this and how I can just do it easily. And you can just directly download the zip file or directly download the whole AI voice agent vault directly into my school community down below. And if you want us to build such AI receptions for yourselves, we can just book a call down below and let's see how it can help you with that. So let me just start building this and under 10 minutes. So so I'm using here Retell.ai. So first of all, I'm just going to create a new agent and just going to select voice agent, single prompt, start from blank, creating. So this is it. Single prompt agent. You can just, okay. So that will be perfect med spa, perfect med spa, perfect med spa demo here, right? That's how it's gonna be cool. And now what I'm gonna do is so now here I am just going to use ChatGPT 4.1 mini because it's fast, and for that I'm just going to use Haley here and English and voice speed, voice volume, voice emotion, happy, save a little bit. And now I have this whole prompt here. So I have the whole Mitzvah prompt, I have the whole JSON prompt for the n8n workflow here, and then I have two functions, which is check availability here and book appointments here. So I'm just going to copy and I'm just going to paste it directly in here. That's good, right? Yep. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add functions here. So I'm just going to add a custom function, which is check availability here. Check availability here. Check the availability, right? Just a simple one. And I'm just going to paste in my n8n webhook directly here, but not now. So JSON schema. So I have so it is check availability. So I'm just going to get here check availability, and I'm just going to copy and paste it directly in here. Amazing. And then I'm going to just save it to the URL. So URL, I'm just going to paste at the end, but right now, mm, whatever. Okay, and then I'm just going to add a book availability, like book book appointment. Okay, book appointment, and we book the appointment. Oh, and again, something like that, wherever. And I'm just going to paste it my schema here, which is this one. Okay, cool, cool, amazing, amazing. Right, and now I have created this. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to add a knowledge base here. So let me just add a knowledge base here real quick. So now to create the knowledge base, I'm using ChatGPT here. So write a dummy knowledge base from a voice agent named MedSpa for perfect MedSpa that contains services and FAQs. And write me the knowledge base and .md file only. So .md is for like markdown. So I'm just going to copy and paste it directly here. Cool. All right, we have this different information. All right, so this is just the knowledge base. Amazing. I'm just going to copy this and I'm just going to paste it directly in here. So I'm just gonna add in all the space here. Add in all the space, right? And so I'm just going to add it here, and it will be perfect med spa. Perfect. You can just change the name of the med spa or dental clinic or whatever. Demo documents. I'm just gonna add a tag file name, knowledge base, something like that, and I'm just gonna paste it here and just save it. Save it to, and it is saving here. Okay, and here we have it here. I'm just going to reload this, taking the effect. So now since I've added the knowledge base here, so I can just take it right here and just add the knowledge base right here. And we have two functions here. And now the next step is to add the n8n workflow. Yeah, so now the next step would be to add the n8n workflow here, which I have here. So I'm just going to add here the n8n workflow, which is, I'm just going to import the file, the perfect metspa. So I'm just going to import the file here. Okay, and then it's going to be like perfect metspa because I've already created one file. So and I'm just going to copy this and paste it directly in here as well as in here. So you just have it. So I actually have already did that. So like this, kind of like this, right? And all I have to do is just publish this, right? So yep, it is published. So now let me just go to the executions tab here and let me just check if this working or not. So I'm just going to test.
Thank you for calling Perfect Med Spa. This is Sophia. How can I help you today?
Here I'd like to book an appointment.
Have you visited Perfect Med Spa before, or is this your first time with us?
This is my first time.
Wonderful. I'd love to help you schedule your first appointment. What treatment are you interested in? We offer Botox, fillers, facials, body contouring, IV therapy. Or if you're not sure, I can help you figure out the best option.
I'd like to do it a Botox.
Great choice. Just so you know, for first-time injectables like Botox, we usually suggest a consultation. But yeah, we can often do the treatment the same day. And when is your event or special occasion if you have one? That way I can help schedule with the
No, I
best
don't
time.
have a special occasion. I just want.
Oh.
This is my first time doing Botox.
Got it. Thanks for letting me know. So, what day or time frame were you thinking for your Botox appointment? Like, do you want something
I'm
soon
thinking
or
about.
maybe a specific?
I'm thinking about Thursday.
All right. Let me check what we have available for Thursday. One sec. Okay, so we have Thursday at 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., and 6 p.m. What works better for you?
1 p.m.
Perfect. And may I have your full name, please?
Yeah, it's John Cena.
Great, John. Is there anything specific we should know? Like any concerns or areas you want to focus on for your...
Please book the appointment.
Okay, let me just confirm. John Cena for Botox on Thursday at 1 p.m. That's correct, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Perfect. You're all set for Thursday at 1 p.m. You'll get a text confirmation shortly. And just avoid alcohol and blood thinners like 24 hours before. Can't wait to see you.
Yes, exactly. That's how you build about the AI voice agent under 10 minutes. So if you want the full template, like right here that I've built here, so you can just join my school community and you can just get it right there. You can just download it right there, and you can also get this video right there as well. So if you want us to build such AI receptions for yourselves, just book a call down below and let's see how we can help with that. Cheers.